to my channel MATLAB class. So today I would like to post one more project video in the field of digital image processing. Now just click on this button to run the code. It will open one graphical user interface. Just wait for a few seconds. It will open one graphical user interface. This project is about data hiding, which will cover hiding of color image into color image. So just check it out how it looks like. It will take few seconds to load the graphical user interface. Yes. Now this graphical user interface having two buttons. First is for embedding and second is for extraction. Now this application is all about hiding one color image into second color image. So just click on first button, that is embedding button. It will open one more graphical user interface, and this is the transmitter side. Now just click on first button, that is select cover image button, and just select one cover image, one color image from input database. So just select any one image from this input database. So I am going to select this image as a first cover image and just click on open. That image will displayed over this axis. It will take few seconds. Okay, just once again click on the same button, it will open. Okay, so this is my cover image. Now same to same, you have to select a second image, that is secret image. Now just select this image as a secret image. So just click on open button, and now just click on embed button. So this process will embed this secret image into this cover image, and this is my final result, that is Stego image. Now you have to save this Stego image by clicking this button. I'm going to save this image by using name stego1.bmp. Just click on save button. Now this is all about our transmitter side. Now just click on clear all and just close this graphical user interface. Now we are going for second process, that is extraction process. So first select or click on extraction button. It will open one more graphical user interface. Now just select the Stego image that we saved at the transmitter side. Now I'm going to select stego1.bmp image. Just click on open and just click on extract button to extract the data which is hidden in the Stego image. So this is my recovered image, and we can save this recovered image by clicking this button and just rename it by recovered. So rec.bmp, with this name the recovered image will be saved. So just click on save button and just clear all the content of the GUI and just close this graphical user interface. Just close this main graphical user interface. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. If you want such kind of more videos in the field of digital image processing, in the field of steganography, in the field of watermarking, then just go to my YouTube channel, like my all the videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.